Hey guys, to my channel. In this video, I will show you the best network commands in command prompt for troubleshooting. Yes, you heard right. So let's get started. Um, Go to search bar and type prompt, command prompt. As you can see on the top here, you have to go to the right and select run as administrator. Select yes. Now the command prompt will open. Now you have to write ping google.com. It will open Google website. This code checks if your device can reach a website on another computer on the network. So type ping google.com and press the enter key. Press enter key. If you see replies, the internet is working fine. But if you see request timeout, the problem is with your connection. As you can see here, the Wing tool could not find host one will check your. So we will try again and try IP config IP config, as you can see on my screen, /all and press the enter. Now you can see the all details here. This shows your IP subnet mask and default gateway. If your IP starts with 169.254, it means your computer is not getting an IP from the router. Okay, now now uh, now you have to again type press or spelling. You can see the spelling on my screen here. Press alt space google.com. Google.com. This shows the path your connection takes. If a hop is stuck, that's where the issue is. Press the enter key. Now wait for a minute. Now you can see the tracing route google.com over a maximum of 30 hops. Now my issue is solved. To check for suspicious network activity, use netstate. Type. Okay, it's checking my hops, as you can see here. Timeout. Now press the escape key and close the window. Now again open the command prompt, run as administrator, go to yes. Now click net state no. Just check the spell on my screen and press the enter key. And that's it. Now issue is solved. And this shows all the active network connections. And there you have it, the best command network troubleshooting commands to fix your internet connection. If this video helped you, hit the like, subscribe and drop a comment. And thanks for watching. I will see you in the next one.